Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I'm architect Dwgfree and I make content related to architecture and interiors. So in this video, we are going to be adding the furnitures in this floor plan. You can see in this picture we have the plan ready with all the furnitures. So we will be adding the furnitures in this layout. So how to download the furniture and how to scale the furniture, let's learn. Okay, so starting with, you have different sites which you can download the blocks from. Okay, so there are n number of AutoCAD blocks you will get on the internet. So there are this popular website called Dwgfree, then AutoCAD measured survey AutoCAD block libraries, then Freecad. Okay, then you have the CAD block net and one more, DWG models. Okay, from this you can download any block that you want. Okay, so I have downloaded a few of them. I'll just show one how to download. So let's try to download this largest collection. Okay, so you have this largest collection, just click on download and it will start downloading. Okay, so as you can see, we have downloaded this large block library from the website. Okay, it has trees, kitchen, toilet, living room, bedroom, all the categories you will basically need. Okay, so let's start with the living room furniture. So I'll get this furniture and just Control C. I'll go to the drawing, Control V. Okay, so basically the scale of the drawing will be different, so you have to scale it down. Okay, so I'm gonna scale it down to 0.6. Okay, S enter. We have to take the reference point 1 and 2 and then take it to the original size that you want. Okay, so now you can copy paste it to the plan. Let's add these 2 chairs. You can simply block this, then taking it to the plan, again rescale, scaling it down. SC enter, take reference point 1, R enter, and then just scale it down, and again one more. Let's add one side table. Okay, now we have all the tables and the furniture chairs. Let's add simple TV unit. Now let's add the bedroom furniture. Let's get this bed. Control C, Control V, scale it, add a reference line. So this is your bed, then making the wardrobe, 0.6. Okay, now let's add side table. So to add the side table, you can just explore the bed block. You can take the side table from that and make a block out of it, and then you can take it to the other file and then just rescale it and move it wherever you want. Okay, so we have added a TV unit. Now let's add the dining and the kitchen furniture. Let's add this dining table, Control C, Control V. Now let's add the kitchen. For the kitchen we want the counters, so let's look for the counters that we want. We'll select this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, specify base point, scale it, take a reference point and then scale. You will get the exact size. Okay, and then just move. Now if I want make this counter till here, I'll just edit the block, edit in place. Okay, and I'll simply stretch it, enter, and just stretch it to this point. Instead of using this dining table, I'll just copy paste from here to here. Okay, and now let's add the toilet fixtures. So let's bifurcate the areas for the toilet. So 0.6 for the wash basin, 0.8 for the shower, and the remaining for the WC. So now if I center this, you will get the exact center dimension for the shower area. See, now let's add the there you have your shower area and your WC area as well. Okay, so this is the plan that we have made. This is the basic furniture layout you can submit in your first, second years of your college. Okay, so in the next video we will be learning how to make basic furnitures manually. Okay, not by using any blocks. So we will have exact standard dimension. We will start to learn how to make furnitures. Okay, so for that stay tuned. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, you know the drill. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below.